Hello, in this video, we are going to look at the SM student section. In As you can see in the dashboard, we have add admission button and a bulk admission button as well, and view student print ID cards and promote students and transfer student and certificates. SM student contains all the menus here. First is the admission. From here you can add the student one by one, and you can also have option to add the bulk student as well from the CSV file. You can download the sample SV file from here, and you will get the student sample CSV from here, and you can upload it here. After inserting the student detail in the CSV file and click on the bulk import, it will add the all students from your CSV file. For example, we have one student in here called Andrew Smith. I'm not going to do it because we already have so many students, and we can check out from the single student by inserting the detail. So, Andrew. I'm going to enter only necessary details right now, so video can be short. As you can see, student is added. From here you can see the session record, ID card, student ID proof if student have it, student detail if you want to provide printout of that to student, attendance detail if student have. So for example, let me show. Next is ID card. From here you can print the student ID card efficiently. Next is promote. From here you can promote the student uh, to current session to next session, upcoming session, whatever that will be. Here you can select the current class and promote class, and click on manage, and here you will see the list of students that you want to promote from A to B. Here you can, as you can see, the student will from B section will be promoted to B, and A section student promoted to A section. Here you can change the class as well if you don't want to promote them, and click on promote. Next is transfer student. If you have multiple schools like I do here, you can transfer them from each current school to another school. For example, I have already transferred a student to test school. Let me show you the transfer dashboard as well. First you have to select class of student and select the student, and now you have to select the you want to transfer whichever school. So for example, default school, class in section, and here write down no and click on transfer. So that student is transferred to uh, this school. Next is certificate. Uh, in here you can add any certificate you want. You can add. So we have positions as well as the placeholder for the certificates. From here you can change the position of X, position of Y, font weight and font size. Let me show you. So if I update the position of X, it will also moving the student name as well here. After you can distribute it. Let me show you the distributed student certificates as well. As you can see, uh, the Mia Martinez certificate. Next is notifications. Here you can send the notification. We have three methods of sending notification. First is the Android application, file-based notification, and second is email, and third is SMS. These are the variables. If you want to have a student name, you will use this placeholder. For example, you should write name here and message.